So we're on to another adventure. We found another trail. We had a Bill's a big old bunny on the side. Oh, look at it.
Oh, it's a lake. You definitely got to come. Can you fish in it?
I have no clue.
Yeah. Right over my head there.
You see him? Look at him moving way down there.
Oh, that's nice.
What? Oh, look at him. Look at the little rabbit. Look at him. He just moving. He's cute.
Yeah. Oh, they do fish up here.
Yeah.
Papa.
Check in,
What's the name of this place?
a reserve or something. Pima Reserve. Don't get too close to
Can
us.
I touch it?
Look at the ducks. They're coming.
Mom, can I touch the water?
Yeah, go ahead and touch them. Look at the duck is coming. Don't get too close to the water. I don't know how deep that is.
This would be nice coming out here fishing.
Are you guys ready to go walk? Back up, boy. So y'all ready to go walk? Oh, excuse me.
Mom, you gotta give us the address, okay? So you can come back and fish here.
Come on,
This is kind of, oh, there's a lot of fish down there.
down in there.
I bet.
Come on.
I bet there's a lot of fish in there, Papa. Look.
Let's go walk this trail. You like this one? Or which one you like better, this one or the other one?
The mountain.
The mountain.
Well, we haven't seen the other. We haven't seen this one so far. We've only seen a little bit. Right, like the mountain. Don't get in this lake right here.
Huh?
This one right there.
Come on, Mel. Come on, Mel. There are snakes. You got holes down in there.
Come on, Todd.
What are you doing? Over here, Taji. We got coyotes. You don't want to be all by yourself.
Oh, yeah. Okay, this one. A whole bunch of
Whoa!
snakes
Look at
in
those.
it, too.
Look at those birds way down there.
Careful, there's like 8 ants over there in the mountain.
There's what?
8 ant hills. Look.
I'm trying to get bit up. Don't get bit up by no ants.
Yeah, pink.
Look like alligator, swamp water.
You think I got some?
Oh, probably not. Not in the middle of Arizona. Come on.
That's cool. Look. It has a thing. How high it gets.
Oh, this goes up to 6 feet.
I would like stick over here, like right there. Who wants some water? You know I do. Drink it.
Try to get away from that. That's where the snakes and stuff be at. Don't mess around and get bit.
Mikey, those in my bag.
Yeah.
They got shade everywhere.
It's like our 50,000th stop of the day. This girl with the mist. Pawpaw went down over there by the water. Come on, let's go up some more. Let's see what's up there.
No, wait. Let's read the sign. Protect the habitat.
Stay on the trail.
Okay, you heard him. I'm gonna get off the trail. Huggy, stop. Stay off the trail. Stay on the trail.
Stay on the trail. Look at that tree. And her babies. You better not go run up on her. Look, her babies.
Don't get up.
Yeah, that's why I told Taji, don't get close to that. You gonna go swimming?
Yeah, it's a little river. Can I touch it? Can I touch it? It's a little stream.
Yeah, go ahead, touch it. Is the water cold? How does it feel? That water is clear.
Yeah, it feels good. Here, let me see how.
Taji, now why would you do that? Why would you do that?
What do you
Stuck
do?
his whole foot in the water. Lord, have mercy, this boy. Go through.
Be careful.
I'm scared. Come on. You said you can.
What's down in there?
No, it's just cold like that. Yeah,
Come on.
Come on. That was cool. It's just like kind of.
Something's been stalking that.
Oh, okay, there's a whole bunch of berries and all that.
The rabbits.
Ow, that hurt.
It's springtime.
I
Come on.
got coach.
You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful.
Can I get water? Look.
Turn around, Taji. Look where you're going. You're about to run right into that. Chasing the rabbits. Leave them rabbits alone. They're not gonna let y'all catch them. Them rabbits are not gonna let you catch them. They gonna run for their life.
So loud.
Okay. Look at them and some huge ducks over there. They stand up high too.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack.
That's what she said. Look, guys.
Yeah.
Say hey, guys.
Hi, guys.
How do you guys like this trail?
Good. I
It's
say
okay.
it's a 10. It's 0 out of 10.
10 out of 10. It's not like the one we did yesterday where it was all incline and we was going up a mountain. Stop. This one is a real trail just around the park. What do you think?
It's okay.
Yeah. You like the incline. She likes the incline. Yeah. So it's nice though. It's different. Oh, it's like.
This way.
Here, jump down.
Come out this way, the way you came in. Yeah.
Don't go tumbling down into that water.
The duck will be all over.
Mm-hmm. Look at her and her babies over there.
Dogs, that duck will tear you up.
Come on, get down. Let's go.
Have you ever been attacked by a duck?
Yeah. The duck ain't
Come on.
no joke.
Photo up. It's over here. Oh, that's pretty.
Mr. falling all over the place. So yeah, the streets is right there. So we're by the car now. This is nice, but let's do this again.
Tomorrow we're
Oh,
going
they're having
on.
a photo shoot.
Tomorrow we're going up a mountain.
You want to win?
We're going up a mountain.
Okay, that's fine. Look. Grab it.
Where?
He's right behind that. He's right behind that bush. Right,
He
Junior.
ran off.
Look there.
Where?
There you go.
He ran off. Oh, they doing their cap and gown pictures.
They're doing a what?
Cap and gown pictures.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, you don't want to walk right in there and shoot. Climb up there. Where'd Taji go? He all the way down there?
Finished it.
Go, keep going. Come back. It's a giant snake. You realize it's a giant snake? Look, there's the head right here. Oh, this is a pretty cool park. This is the head. What are you doing?
I'm trying to open.
You're stuck. Go through. You're stuck. Daddy, look at your brother. He can't even get in. He was stuck. You got it. Come on, you came through. Oh, this boy. Come on. You got it. Look at that one on the floor. Look. This is a pretty cool park, huh? Do you need help? No, go help him. Pull him through. There you go.
I needed to get my foot through.
Yeah, go ahead. Jump up there. Gabe, you better be careful. That's high. You are really high off the ground. Where's Junior?
Papa, look. What?
Look at you. You made it. Oh, there's a whole bridge out here. Oh, how cool.
Let's see it.
Huh? I guess you walk through the road to get over there.
Oh, this is nice.
I should have brought my camera.
Those are turtles.
Big old turtle. A little.
Oh, look at the turtle in the water. It's a turtle. We found a turtle.
We found your favorite animal.
I love turtles. Look at him. He's moving around. Look at him. Look at him.
You said, Baba, I'm leaving this place.
You see the turtle?
Yeah.